Hey everyone, Morgan here. So we're going to be looking at page 15 of the lecture outline. And this page is a post-lab discussion of the Excess Reactant Lab. And that is the lab where you took a piece of zinc and you reacted it with HCl and it formed H2 and ZnCl2. And to balance that, you need to put a 2 in front of the HCl. Now, what was the mass of water in that pipette? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 5.98 grams right here, which is water in pipette, minus the 0.99 grams, which is the dry pipette right there, and we get 4.99 grams of water. Now, because the density of water is 1.00 grams per milliliter, we can say that the volume of that pipette would be 4.99 milliliters. Pretty straightforward idea there. Now for the mass of zinc, we take the beaker and the zinc, which is 110.72, and we subtract the empty beaker, which is 110.23. And if I'm doing this right in my head, it is 0.49 grams zinc. Okay? Now, to convert that to moles, we go 0.49 grams zinc times 1 mole of zinc is 65.39 on the periodic table I'm looking at. 0.0075 moles zinc. All right? So now, you added HCl the same way you had used the water in the pipette, so the volume of the HCl used should be the same, 4.99 milliliters, or 0.00499 liters. Okay? And to find the moles of HCl, molarity equals moles over volume. Moles equals molarity times volume. It's 1.00 mole per liter of HCl times, and now we have a volume of 0.00499 liters. That cancels. We're multiplying by 1. This equals 0.00499 moles of HCl. So now to determine which reactant is in excess and which one isn't, okay, which is the limiting. If I have 0.0075 moles of zinc times, and according to my balanced equation from up here, 1 mole of zinc needs 2 moles of HCl, and that cancels, and this equals 0.0150 moles of HCl. That's how much HCl I'm going to need, and I have nowhere near that much. I have much, much, much less. So zinc is excess, and HCl is the limiting reactant. All right? You should have recognized that in the lab because you saw a piece of zinc left over there in your beaker when you were done. Okay, that is page 15. Thanks for tuning in. This is Morgan signing off.